Welcome to Naughty Bits. Today we're going to talk about Stud 100. It is a topical pump spray, a male desensitizer to help prevent premature ejaculation. Since we've opened over 25 years ago, this has been our best seller because it does work. Its active ingredient is lidocaine. It's both FDA and Health Canada regulated and approved. It is a common anesthetic, very safe to use. You don't have any reasons to be afraid of it because it works. It's very simple to use. In each bottle, you have about 120 meter sprays. And what we recommend is you start with the 3 to 8, really start with 3 because you want to make sure that you're not using too much because you don't want to be 100% numb. And we recommend that you cover the head of the penis. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes because you do not want this to transfer to your partner. You are not allowed to use more than 24 sprays in 24 hours. Additional safety information about Stud 100. It is safe for oral sex. Please give more time after spraying to ensure it is dried thoroughly. About 20 minutes should do. It can be used with latex condoms, and it should never be used with a pregnant partner. Stud 100 should always have a DIN number on its box and a gold cap. This ensures that this product is legal to be sold in Canada. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please email customer service@aren'twenaughty.com and have a great day.